Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hello and welcome to Seasonal Travelers. So today it's a very different kind of vlog because we are here just at the foothills of Nandi Hills, and as of course you can see in the background, we are here to celebrate my birthday. It's like I just can't thank enough to Nandan. Like it's a dream come true moment for me. I have never celebrated my birthday in such luxury resort before, so definitely I'm going to enjoy. And come, I'll give you a quick room tour. Just look at this beautiful wooden access card. For the birthday, they have given a complimentary cake, and also like there are some fruits and all that we got. And here is a coffee section, so you can see some coffee pouches are there, some tea and milk and all these things. And you can see it's the room. There is a seating area, and just outside there is another seating area. So it's an outdoor seating area.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
There is a standing mirror, a full-length mirror. Here is the washroom. So there are some towels, some toiletries here. So I was quite surprised, like what is it? So if you can see, it's a magnifier mirror, probably used for makeup.
Pas de soleil, da-da-da.
During evening, when all the warm lights were lit up, this place was looking really magical. Mulberry Shades has two different restaurants. One is Terra, where most of the breakfast and dinner everything are served, and another is Cocoon. So we decided to try the fine dining experience in Cocoon.
So I must say each and every cuisine here, like it's a purely Asian cuisine, and you can really expect to have authentic cuisine here. So we tried lobster, some chicken, some dumpling, and it was really wonderful.
Right now I'm trying the brulee. Being a desert lover, looks so excited. A lot of expectation. Let me try it out. It's a kind of pudding, orange flavored, caramel on top of it. Overall, it's giving a very good taste. I love these kind of desserts. Something different. It's not very strong flavor, but it's very yummy and I'm enjoying it.
After dinner, we decided to take a nice little walk and we really enjoyed. The whole place was looking so warm and so peaceful. We ended our day with a small celebration.
We are at the Terra Kitchen and Dining for breakfast, and here mainly the buffet breakfast is served. They have wide variety of selection starting from the Indian breads and Indian cuisine, and also Western also, like you will find croissant and many other cakes, cheese and all these things. And to be very honest, food is very tasty.
In the morning, we really enjoyed watching Nandi Hills just behind our resort.
We very much enjoyed our stay. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. So please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.